Incremental routines. I have a quick tip that I never heard anyone sharing ever, and it's related to the sounds when you do repetitions. So when I show the answer and then I recall whatever, what did I press? Oh yeah, here I have the 4. Okay, and sometimes you use Anki, especially on the phone. You have visual feedback of what did you press, or at least if it was successful or failure, right? Well, in Supermemo you cannot do that, but you can do it acoustically by sound. So you can have, we go to the toolkit options, we can have sound feedback. Let's use the default. Next repetition. Clean. Then I will do a failure here. Ba-ba-bum. That's not cool because are the error messages in Windows. You have these already ingrained in your memory. You want something else? Well, you can actually customize this. And it's by putting custom. Sound registry error. Yeah, why that? Because now my sound registry, it's absolutely empty. I have none. So basically, you could reuse any sound in your registry. It could be empty. So what we'll do first is to get those files in the registry. We will add them. But before that, I want to download them. Let's go. Okay, so that's the website that I suggest. There are many. Pixabay. I use this for images. They also have sounds. So I will just look success. And I want something very, very short, like a second or 2 seconds. That will work.
Yeah.
No. Nice. That's reminds me of like a Mario coin kind of thing in the video game. Nice. I will download this. And I want something like a fail. But let me see if there's something for labs. No, I don't like that. Oh, fail. I will use this one. This in a new folder. So what I'm going to do is to import both of them. How can I do that? Tools, import files. Then I go to in my case, that is the success. Let me rename this. And fail. Nice. Okay. So now again, we go to options, Supermemo. In the sound feedback, we put custom. And now we can choose success and fail. Because those are the names of the what's called sound registry members. And I can play this. Oh, you really need to put the exact same spelling. I missed the C, I think. 1C. So, doesn't have to be this name, by the way. You could call it 1 and 2, Q and A, whatever you want. You have to use the same name. Now, if we continue, that's the front, that's the question, the answer, and I will press success. Pa-pang! I will fail this one. Yep. Nice touch. Could be a good choice for accessibility if you have visual impairment or you just prefer to use it even if it's not required. That's a tip you can use in Supermemo. Remember, in case you don't use the sound registry, you need to put the files and then you can use them. Any point in the session, let's say that now I am in a place that I have to be quiet or whatever. and you don't want to mute your computer. Let's say that you're listening background music. Hey, you can actually go anytime, toolkit options, you disable that. Now this doesn't appear again, and anytime you can go options and go again to the same place. If you remember, and look at this, what happens now. Next time you press custom, then it goes to the exact place I used the file. So you will have to do the same thing. Success and fail. Hope this was useful. Let me know if you use this feature. I know no one that used this feature in 4 years. Nothing more to add today. See you incrementally.